Hi and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna try to start a truck that was sitting for 7 years. It is 2004 Dodge Ram 1500 with Hemi engine. Alright, let's open the hood. And as you can see, I don't even have a battery inside. So I'm gonna get brand new battery and try to turn it on. But before that, I just want to quickly see if there is any oil inside. Oh, it looks like might be something. There is oil there. Doesn't look great, but it's not dry. And I got the new battery. So the new battery is inside. I'm gonna attach first positive cable to it. And we'll tighten that up. So yeah, 7 years it's been sitting. I don't know why it's battery missing, but I'm gonna try to start it up. And next is negative cable. Woo! Look at that. Wiper blades turned on. Now tighten up negative cable. Alright, the battery is connected. And now let's see if this thing will fire up. Oh. Let's see if we have power. Ooh, there is power. Alright, let's crank it up. Woo! Alright. Not that bad at all. Good old Hemi engine. There is definitely exhaust leak. But it runs perfectly. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, bye.